Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video we will be talking about Tradestation. This video is not a financial advice, it is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. Towards the end of the video I'm also going to give you a brief overview of the 1inch app. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the website of Tradestation. You can access it by going to tradestation.com. It offers 50% off futures brokerage fees, which is a really good thing. There is $0.25 per contract micros and $0.75 per contract full size. Some of the reasons you need to choose Tradestation is because you can enjoy a commission-free equities trading with their trading technology. You get access to more than 2,000 commission-free ETF plus the tools that you would be using to explore different trading ideas. They also have various options and leverage options tools that can be used to take advantage of specific opportunities. You can also trade future contracts on indices, gold, euro, crude oil, bonds, and many other future contracts out there. They also have a futures plus platform which has been designed to address the need of futures option traders. They have a crypto platform where you can trade Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and more than 7+ currency pairing. They have IPOs as well, so you can get your share of today's up and upcoming companies before they hit the market. They also specialize in mutual funds, so you can diversify your investments and you have an option to choose from 2,000 mutual funds out there. You can build a solid trading plan with the analytics that they provide. You get access to their powerful trading tools without requiring you to have a brokerage account. So whether you want to do stocks, ETF, options, futures, or any other options out there, desktop platform will ensure that you can do that with most flexibility. The plans that they have start at $99 per month, and it can be also integrated with other brokers of your choice. When it comes to the pricing, they have $0 for stocks per trade, $0 as low as $0.50 per contract for options, $0 for futures as well. The reason to choose this platform is because whether you are a new trader or a professional, you can experience all the tools that would ensure your trading becomes more efficient in one single dashboard. So they have platforms, products, customer service support. They also have one of the lowest price in the market. They have a learn platform where you can educate yourself about new trading strategies that you can use. They also have features where you can open different types of accounts. So over here you can get a quick overview of different products that you can trade in this market, so that's really good. When it comes to platform and tools, you're going to see that they do have multiple options to choose from, whether you want to do desktop, web trading, mobile apps, futures plus, TS crypto, simulated trading, order execution quality, and API. Now, if you would like to open an account, you're going to click open account, and then if you are a new user, you will click sign up. And over here you have to enter your first name, last name, your country, state, email address, your phone number, your login credentials, so your username, password, and all of that fun stuff. So once you fill out all of this information, you will click next. So once you fill out all of this information, you have to put your personal information, your employment information, your financials and the experience you have, the summary and agreements, and go to the finish tab to create an account. It's a very easy step-by-step process. Once you start with account setup, it's going to prompt you towards the next step, and if there are any missing fields, it's going to alert you as well. They also have a learn section, so when I click that, this is a good way to get yourself educated. So whether you want to learn about trading, so let's say you're a beginner, you have never done trading, we have different topics over here on stocks, options, futures, cryptocurrencies, futures options, and all of that. So let's take a look at cryptocurrencies, for example. So over here they do have little articles like what is cryptocurrency, what's the history, how to make money out of it, what are the benefits of it. So if I click read more, I will come to this page, and over here I can take a look at the entire article, get myself nicely educated. So that's a really good tool. When it comes to account, they have individual and joint account, retirement account, entity account, funding instructions. Services, they have institutional services for large trading options, margin trading, fully paid stock lending, and subscription services as well. So this is their future plus section. So this is a good way to get a more enhanced market view. You can visualize what the prices might look like. You can create strategies, you can analyze the volatility that you should expect, you can also monitor time and sales and look for opportunities and manage your risk. You can also download the app and use this chart on the go to keep an eye on the markets or any other movements that they may have. They have TS Crypto tool, which gives you all the tools you would need so that you can trade cryptocurrencies in a way similar to an intuitive yet powerful crypto trading platform does, without any hidden fees. The simulated trading platform is a great way to learn about, cryptocurrencies, how to trade them, because everything over here is not real, but yet it happens in real time, so you have good information about it. They also have fast and reliable order execution, so they used a various combination of order routing technology or rigorous reviews of speed, execution quality, so that they can enhance the experience as well. So over here you can see the average price improvement per order is $5.23. The speed is 0.076 seconds. The AD or the beta percent is 96.01%. This is the Twitter platform of Tradestation. They have a following of 19.6k followers. So overall, this is a really good tool. I feel it has a lot of features in it that would help a regular and a professional trader, so it is worth checking out. Now I also want to quickly talk about the 1inch platform. So on the day when the Luna situation happened, we saw a picture that the volume of 1inch trades exceeded that of Uniswap, and 1inch also announced that they are now number one on the air. DeFi is currently the highest growth industry in crypto markets, and when we talk about a large number of transactions with large amounts for a long time, the best player has proven itself just 1inch. 1inch is a DEX aggregator, and you will always get the best exchange route over here. On the day when the Luna situation happened, we saw a picture that the volume of 1inch trades exceeded that of Uniswap, and everyone out there was more inclined to think that it was just for a moment, one day, and when the volume of trades per inch exceeded the volume trades on Uniswap. But no, this is not the case, and now we really see who saves us in a critical situation such as Luna fall, which saves us exactly 1inch. It was a period of large number of transactions when people try to save at least part of their money and not lose the house on a gas fees. When we talk about a large number of transactions with large amounts for a long time, the best player has proven itself just 1inch due to large number of updates and an active 1inch development team out of competition. So let's not forget that 1inch is a DEX aggregator, and you will always get the best exchange route. When it comes to being number one on Ethereum, 1inch has recently announced that they're number one on the air, but I also have the impression that both the whole community and 1inch team did not realize that it really was a historic day, and now most likely once and for all overtook Uniswap. It is very clear that at one point the volume of trades 1inch was equal to that of Uniswap and the rest of the period, and completely overtook, and you could provide a few reasons why this happened. So it is very clear that at one point the volume of trades 1inch was equal to that of Uniswap and the rest of the period, and completely overtook, and then you could provide a few reasons why this is so. 1inch was not the first. Also, here is an interesting information. Historically, it happened that Uniswap was the first, and all the DeFi enthusiasts settled in it due to conservative trades. Most of these people did not want to switch to 1inch, but now it doesn't even make sense to argue about what to use, 1inch or Uniswap. So I just wanted to cover these points for a few seconds to talk about 1inch and the whole situation with Luna and Uniswap. So I hope you find this information helpful to make necessary decisions. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe. All the links are mentioned in the description box below, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.